Now I'm again happy to announce Shweta Singh. She is from UK. Is Shweta ji available?
Yes, I'm here, Dr. June. Nice to be here.
Shweta Singh is a dynamic individual being, an entrepreneur and the founder of Navami, the National Ambassador for Village and Aspiration for Mission India, an international citizen living in UK and having invested her time across various nations. Shweta has channeled over 250,000 US dollar of direct investment into 4 villages in the states of Haryana and has secured funding for a further 2 million US dollar, which has to date positively impact over 10,000 individuals who are benefiting from raised income and lower cost due to initiatives of Navami. In addition to this, Shweta is the brand ambassador for IIT Delhi Alumni Association and has helped spearhead a campaign and has adopted over 150 villages across India already. Furthermore, Shweta is a goodwill ambassador for dedicated to developing communication aids for people who suffer from motor neuron disease. Her noble effort has been well recognized and she has received national and international awards for her contribution to education, social service, and humanitarian work. Prior to her corporate career, which took her across the globe, she is the first female pilot, gold medalist from the state of Uttar Pradesh, and has been personally decorated by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. We welcome Dr. Shweta, and I would like to show you your certificate.
Namaskar. Thank you, Dr. Anne, for such a warm welcome. My sincere gratitude to all our eminent speakers for your gracious words. On behalf of my entire family at Navami, we are together extremely humble as well as thrilled to receive the Inspiring Leadership Award 2021 from the International Human Rights Advisory Council. It is an honor for me to be here today alongside the World Youth Leadership Summit. From the outset, I wish to acknowledge and commend the selfless acts and initiatives taken by the Human Rights Council. It is this altruism that gives rise to the best of humanity. Organizations such as this are what have inspired me to begin Navami, which is the National Ambassador for Villages and Aspiration for Mission India, with our vision, self-reliant rural India. Acting as a catalyst for change and investment directly into the rural settings so as to generate first-hand employment and increase disposable income for the village populace. Ladies and gentlemen, I come from a remote village in Uttar Pradesh, India, where I have seen the hardships and struggle growing up. For my younger sister and I, going to school was a privilege. The leadership, farsightedness, and courage of my strong idol, my mother, encouraged me to reach for the stars and inculcated in me good values and strong work ethics. In every change lies an opportunity to reinvent yourself. This gave me the confidence, irrespective of my gender, that I can be the soldier of my own future. I will never forget the amazing people I have met on my field visits to various villages in India. It is because of them that my resolve to keep working harder has just grown stronger. My sincere gratitude to my dream team, my family for holding the beacon of hope and our motto, Hum Honge Kamyab. And to my lifeline, my husband, for always thinking big with me. Thank you for fighting the big fights and going on the wild rides I want to embark upon. I'm so proud of you on this. Once again, you have shown what resilience truly means. Congratulations to all the awardees. You are all a role model. And just like the rest of the world, I'm so inspired and awed by you. Last but not the least, to quote the late and great Ruth Bader Ginsburg, to make life a little better for people less fortunate than you, That's what I think a meaningful life is. One lives not just for oneself, but for one's community. On this positive note, let us embrace, empower, and stand for each other. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Shweta. Now I would like to introduce Dr. Pramod Mahajan. Dr. Pramod Mahajan, he is from Sharjah, Dubai. Dr.